Hello everyone, this tutorial will guide you on how to set up pALERT Plus. Here's an architecture diagram. We will set up pALERT Plus through the web interface. There are two major functions which are Settings and Record and Report. And before we start, please turn on pALERT Plus. Press and hold the function button for 1 second and the IP address will be displayed. If you have any questions about using pALERT Plus, please refer to the pALERT Plus unboxing video. Now, let's move on to the operation. Please enter the IP of pALERT Plus in the browser. Here's a friendly reminder. We recommend you to use the Chrome browser for this part. Then it will take you to the login page. You can choose your preferred language down here. For first-time user, please change the password. Our config parameter setting follows the mini-C documentation. Here are the buttons and their functions. You can modify your parameter from here or config file, which includes all of the setting parameters. Now, let's move on to parameter settings. Here's a friendly reminder. Please remove the pound sign before the parameters of which you want to enable. Continuous mode. Server IP. You can set up 3 sets of server IP at maximum. Sampling rate. SPS channel 0 is for first access sampling rate setting format. SPS channel 1 is for second access sampling rate setting format. SPS channel 2 is for third access sampling rate setting format. We present 3 access sampling rates by 200 on this video. You can switch parameters for each axis by this format if required. Auto offset. The default of this mode is yes. Change to no if you like to disable this function. Installation angle. Adjust installation angle. Mount mode is the installation method. We support eastward, which is the ground or wall. Event mode. PD trig enable, P wave displacement. If you want to use this function, enter yes after enable. PD watch threshold, PD threshold of watch level, unit by gal. PD warning threshold, PD threshold of warning level, unit by gal. Record threshold setting. Record intensity, threshold of recorded data. Record PGA. Threshold of event recorded data for PGA. The default is 25 gal, minimum is 0.1 gal. Config file is the other way to set up pALERT Plus. Please contact our FAE for more information. The next function is network setting. Turn on DHCP and the system will automatically get all the parameters when pALERT Plus connects to the network. DHCP can be turned off as well. If so, all the IP parameters will need to be entered by yourself. Please click Update and Network Restart to reboot the system after changes. DNS settings. You can set your DNS server IP by preference. Click Update to save the changes. NTP setting. The default setting is debian.pool.ntp.org. You can also enter NTP server in preference. Here are the functions of buttons. Station info. All other information will be recorded here. After making the changes, please click Update to save. Run log. Log files record event data. If any problems occur, please download runlog.txt and send it to our FAE. SOH information. SOH is short for status of health. You can check out sensor status, CPU temperature, external voltage, internal voltage, RTC battery, and status of NTP and GNSS. This information is also available in Modbus register mapping. You will update every second. User will be able to utilize this function to check the device's status of health and to download it remotely. Now, let's move on to record and report. ISO report. ISO is short for International Organization for Standardization. pALERT Plus complies with standard of human beings for safety and health regulations with the whole body vibration. The ISO report function is coming soon. Stay tuned and we'll update you when it's available. Waveform and recording. You can observe and record the vibration data online. Choose a time interval before you start recording. Waveform report and record. After recording, you can read the record report here and download the data file in record from the side menu. Congrats! Now we have completed the web interface setup for pALERT Plus. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.